Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can form an LLC in Kansas. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're going to do it, you'll get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing website, amazing company, which is going to help you form an LLC. So what you want to do is just simply click here on LLC, and right here you want to add a name that you created for your future company. So I'm going to write it Stones Company. Check availability. Now, in what state would you like to form Stones Company? I'm going to enter the state here and I will name it Kansas, right here. Search. And as you can see, Stones Company appears to be available. Great news. Then I just simply add here my email and click Get My LLC. And my camera went off for some reason. And I'm back. So what do you want to do? When do you want to launch it? Let's go with a soon. And now, okay, continue. And right here, is Stones Company your first LLC? Let's click yes here. Or if it isn't your first company, just press no. What will Stones Company do? I'm going to write e-commerce, but you just choose here what you're going to do actually, right? You can do, I don't know, consulting, florist, restaurant, construction. Again, you choose what you're going to do, right? Continue. And right here, will Stones Company have employees in first year? I can go with a no or yes. I'm going to press no here. And now, essential services for Stones Company. By law, you will require a registered agent, and then you will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation, and we will look into it. LegalZoom is going to offer you the registered agent service, so you don't need to actually find one by yourself, but you can also appoint a different registered agent. I recommend going to LegalZoom. They will solve everything for you, and you can actually focus on business and making money. That's the most important thing in business, I think, and creating value for society, of course. Continue with LegalZoom, and now you have option to go with the operating agreement, which is $99, or you can go with the operating agreement plus EIN, which is going to be $159. And EIN is required because without it you can file taxes or open a bank account, or you can go with the operating agreement, EIN, and licenses. So they're going to help you with federal, state, and local permits and licenses. Again, you can go with that and you're going to be good to go. So now they are going to offer you, LegalZoom is going to offer you legal protection or total compliance. What do I mean by that? Is that in Legal Protect, LegalZoom is going to offer you 30-minute consultation with independent attorneys about if you have any legal issues, any tax questions, and that's pretty much it. So you can click like no thanks here, or you can take it to trial. And the next thing that you can do is also they're going to help you set up everything to stay compliant, taking care of annual report, fillings, and formalities. And if they make a mistake or if they miss anything, they pay the fine or penalty, not you. So that's great. Again, you can take the trial or click no thanks here. And then you need to choose a package. So what I recommend is going to Express Gold, because you're going to have a company in 10 business days. And then 7 days a week, lifetime customer support from LegalZoom. That's perfect. Or you can go with the standard version. Oh, you can go with the economy version. That's like really up to which one you choose. And when you're going to do it, I'm just going to click Express Gold here. And then I'm going to see it here. They can also offer you open account in Bank of America. No thanks. And right here, you're going to see Express Gold. You can change that to, I don't know, even to the lower package if you want to. Really up to you. And then click continue to checkout, and then just fill everything here: address, first name, last name, single payment or installment plan, and voila, this is how we do it. And this is how we can simply form an LLC in Kansas. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And what I want to share with you, like, this is what I was talking about. You want to focus on creating the business and also focus on increasing the revenue and making effective processes. That's the goal. Plan your day in advance. Then in the evening, reflect how effective you have been today comparing to your yesterday. And in this way, in 1, 2, 3 years, you're going to be a beast. Because the goal is to be calm. The goal is to have a clear mind. Because when you're going to have a clear mind, you can focus so hard. And no one can get you. You're going to be unstoppable, literally. And I can help you with that if you want to. I'm really good at it, I think. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.